Drowning in a sea of Chrome tabs and lost assignments? Let's transform your Chrome browser into a productivity powerhouse so you can ace those classes. I'm here to show you how to organize your Chrome browser for school, step by step. First, let's tackle those messy bookmarks. See that long list of websites you can't even read anymore? We're fixing that. Head to the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome window. Scroll down to Bookmarks and then click on Bookmark Manager. This will open a new tab that's entirely dedicated to your bookmarks. Now, in the Bookmark Manager, click the three dots next to Bookmarks bar and select Add New Folder. Name this folder School or whatever you like. And hit Save. You can create as many folders as you need for each subject, project, or anything else. Next, simply drag and drop your relevant bookmarks into these folders. This keeps everything super organized, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. Now let's talk extensions. Click those three dots again. Go to More Tools and select Extensions. Here, you can explore extensions that boost your productivity. I suggest searching for Focus to Do, a Pomodoro Timer extension, Grammarly to improve writing, or Google Dictionary for quick definitions. These tools helps you stay on track, write better, and understand information more efficiently, all inside of Chrome. And that's it. With organized bookmarks and the power of helpful extensions, your Chrome browser is now optimized for maximum school success. Now go ace those classes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.